Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by confirming access and being ready to act. Make sure you are an admin on the Facebook page and that the Instagram account is active. Once done, update both apps or use a desktop browser to avoid interface differences. Next, decide if Instagram should be professional. This matters because Facebook links require a professional profile. Now open Facebook, go to the page you manage, and keep Instagram credentials handy so you can switch without interruptions. Once on the page, go straight to Settings and select Instagram. Click Connect Account and enter the Instagram username and password when prompted. You will authorize permissions, allow access to messages, contacts, and ad management if you plan to run promotions. After authorization, toggle message sync and cross-posting options so comments and DMs surface in Facebook tools. Make sure ad accounts and business integrations appear correctly. If you run ads, confirm the right ad account. You finish by verifying settings and running a small test. Post a photo on Instagram and confirm it appears on the Facebook page with the proper caption and tags. Then double-check roles in Business Manager and ensure the correct ad account and catalog are linked if used. If the link does not work, follow this troubleshooting step. Clear app cache or browser cookies, log out and back in, and verify you still have page admin rights. This resolves most authorization problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.